Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Overland trailer. I'm John. Welcome to DB Overland. Yeah, a lot has happened since the last video. So a quick recap. We started off with a pile of parts, and at the end of the video, well, you'll just have to go watch. So anyways, today's video is going to be, it's going to be pretty cool. It is going to be on the storage system that I have in mind for the trailer. And I will finally be able to reveal what these are. Sit back and relax, and today we are going to work on the storage system for the trailer. What do you think? I think I did okay, but this is my solution, one of my solutions for my storage. So, what are these? These are utility boxes, and they mount on the side of a step side box. So, back in the 60s and 70s, when the pickups had step side boxes, you would remove the factory fenders and you would bolt these on instead. And I found these in the wrecking yard, and I love them. I absolutely love them. Now, the beauty about these is, well, one, they're super easy to work with, but two, they're not very long. They're 6 feet from end to end, and they're 1 foot wide exactly. So it makes it super easy to adapt these to something, and I'm super excited about them. Let's see here. That's the brand name. Probably can't find these anymore or get them made anymore. I would guess probably 70s is probably when these were built, and they're holding up to pretty good. I think these are going to work really nice. I'm excited. Okay, well, so on today's video, we are going to mount these boxes to the side of the frame. I like it. It's almost exactly how I envisioned it. There we go. cool. So I've got a brace right here. It's kind of dark. This is painted black, so it's kind of hard to see. But I got a brace here, and I have a brace there, and then I'm using the bumper. And what I did is I went corner, and then in the middle, so it's got 3 stitch welds on the top and 2 at the bottom. And it is, I can't shake it too hard. It's solid. It feels really, really solid. So that is awesome. I'm so excited about that. Oh yes. I think though I'm going to have to go with a wider axle. I think I'm gonna have to recut the axle, because I was actually hoping that the tire would be about another 4 inches farther out. I think, yeah, about another 4 inches out. And mainly the reason why is stability. I mean, it'd probably do okay how it is right now. You know, kind of give you I mean, that's how it would be on a vehicle. You know, it's about perfect, you know, for a vehicle wise. But I think I want to go another 4 inches wider. And, you know, for stability, and then also for looks as well, because I'm going to be putting armor on down the sides with 1 3/4 tubing, and I wanted to have a fender flare. And if I had a fender flare with the way that the tires are right now, it just look absolutely ridiculous. So I think I want to go a little bit farther out, and also it would help with being able to run any type of rim on here and not have it rub. Right now I've got a rear wheel drive offset and it just barely clears. I mean, you can see how close it is. So I think I will go ahead and just re-splice it and make it another 4 inches wider on each side, so 8 inches overall. So yeah, I think that'll work out better. But man, this is this is super exciting. I'm stoked. That was a lot of work. So this door and this door I could not open when I brought these boxes home. And so with a lot of PB Blaster and some persuasion of a big hammer, I was able to get them to free up. And now they're actually working pretty good. I think if I just creep them up with some PB Blaster, I think they'll be okay. But in order to get to this one, I had to cut the back open. I cut it and then I took a screwdriver and I bent it back. And so now I'm going to go ahead and weld this up and get this all put back together. The other one's a little bit worse for wear. And let me get a flashlight here to show you. So I've got a game plan, I think. So this is what I mean. That part down there is pretty rusty, and again, you know, I cut the back side out to get to the latch here, and the back side had a big hole in it, but I think that's going to be okay. So my plan is for this one, there we go. My plan is for this one is to have this accessible to inside of the camper. And I was thinking about putting either like a propane tank here or something, or maybe not at all. Maybe just so you know, maybe it's battery or, you know, maybe nothing at all. You know, I'm kind of up in the air at this moment. But with it being so bad, I thought instead of having it sealed off, I'll just go ahead and have it exposed to in front of the camper. So if I need to grab something from the front, I can. But this guy is so bad, I'm going to have to do some more trimming. So I think what I'm going to do is just trim enough to where I can inlay another piece and then weld it in and have it sealed. So yeah, a little bit worse for wear, but it's okay. I'm still happy. Oh, and when I was trying to fiddle fart with getting the stupid latches unlocked, the stupid box fell off the trailer and put a nice little wowie in it. So I'm gonna have to beat that out and repair it, because I actually would like to have this part all really nice. I'm gonna plug weld these holes and try to smooth everything out and make it dent free, because you know, when I paint it, I would like it to all be nice and straight and, you know, try to make it look nice. So anyways, I'm gonna do some more cutting, and then I'm gonna get the welder set up and try to get this box mounted. I can still repair the rust panels after the boxes are mounted, so I'm gonna dive into it and start doing that. There we go, folks. Boxes are mounted. Storage system is mounted. This is gonna be a great little trailer. I'm so excited for this. So there you go. Now, it's really well balanced. I mean, I don't have to push down much. It's nice. I can move it in and out by myself. It's really well balanced, so if I have to move it around by hand, I can. This is nice. So I'm not for sure yet the layout of the storage, like what I'm gonna put in each drawer, but I mean, I've got a lot to work with. You know, I've got this one, this guy. I gotta cut this out. I gotta figure out how to get it out of here, because I think it's like spot welded in there, so I'm gonna have to figure out something, but that's gotta go. I don't like that. I'm gonna have to make more of these chains for the other side, because I do like that. And this one, of course, remember we were saying this is gonna go to the inside. I'll get the floor patched up, and this one's gonna be tricky because I have to seal this compartment up to the inside really well. I have to make sure it's really tight, because dust and water and stuff, I don't want this getting into the inside part of the camper. So yeah, I mean, so I've got this times 2. You know, this one's got some shelves in it, so that'll be nice. And I can adjust them. There's little slots here on the side that they clip into. You know, just give it a good whack. I can move them around. Been stuck in that spot for a long time. But anyways, you know, when I go to paint the inside, you know, I'll pull this all out, and I'm gonna go with the same light gray primer epoxy. I think that looks rather nice, actually. But this one See, this is what it's like, all empty. And that's more like it. Like I said, I got to make the little chain thingy so that one stays up. I mean, you know, there's not enough surface area to really, you know, cook on that. You know, maybe if you had like a little jet boil, you could set up, you know, your jet boil on that and cook off of that. But if you have like a little camping stove, it'd be kind of difficult because your stove would be kind of dangling off. Maybe I'll make something that will lay across that and it kind of attaches to it so I can, you know, extend out. And, you know, that one too, that one, I don't know what I'm going to put in there. Might have to make some shelves or something for them. We'll see. But, yeah, there you go. There you go. So, that is part 2 of the build series. You know, I've got some stuff to do still. I got to finish welding up this. And, you know, I got to put that cross brace in up there. And, you know, a little minute stuff that I don't want to bore you guys with. So, yeah. Let's see here. Probably part 3 will be enclosing the inside here. Putting the deck down. Putting the top, the front part. And also making the back door for this. So, I think that will be part 3. So, thanks guys. I hope you're enjoying the build just as much as I am. If you got any questions about it, comment down below. And I go and I read every single comment and I answer to every single comment. So if you got any questions during the build, always comment me, you know, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it. So stay tuned for part 3. We'll see ya.